Hey there, we are come back again. Today I'm going to show you how can you use the MEXFLOW software easily. So let's get started. First of all, I'm going to open the software by double clicking it, and it will take some time to load the full application. So you need to be patient. Well, it's now verifying my device. Okay, it will take like a couple of seconds sometime. Depends on your internet speed. So here it is. You can see the homepage. You got some suggestion, new project, open projects settings. Since we don't have project yet, so we are going to create a simple project. Before that, we need to add some settings. So I'm going to show you what you need to add. First of all, let's go to the settings by clicking on this sidebar settings, and then click on AI settings. Here, you need to add your AI API key, like you need to configure the API configuration. So since we all know what is AI and what is API keys, we don't need to explain it again. So there are many options for you. Here is Max API, Open AI, Gemini, Grok. Then you have all of them. And now we're going to use Max API. This is our own service. Here we'll add our own API keys. So let me add this. Here, Max API. Okay, so click on save. Okay, API key has been saved here, and I'm gonna choose the Google Gemini 2.5 Pro. Okay, we are good to go now. Now, see, we don't have videos seen and nothing. We just add our API key. Okay, there's one thing we forgot to set here. From this corner, when you click, you need to set the default AI you're gonna use. So right now the default one is OpenAI GPT-4. Since we didn't have like the API key for OpenAI, we added for Max API. So I'm gonna select Max API and select Google Gemini 2.5 Pro. Here it is. Okay, easy task. Now we are good to go to generate this story. So there is a two tab. One is easy flow, which is very easy. You just put your story and click on generate. It will automatically generate all the things for you. But I'm not going to suggest, this is not recommended one. You're going to use the max flow. This is for newbies, people who don't know how to do what to set. AI will decide for you. But if you know a little bit more, then you can use the max flow option. Here is some customization option, which is simple. We all know. Just if you just think this is complex, no, this is not complex. This is like normal life things, like the genre, horror, action film, drama, horror. We all know about this, and we also know about the realistic things, how the camera work, cartoons, everything we know. So this is not some rocket science to understand. This is simple thing, regular thing. So here we're gonna put our story. Let me copy the story first. Okay, this is not ready yet. Okay, our story is well, sorry, I just paused the video because to start generate the story by OpenAI. So I already generated the story. It's already in my clipboard. So I just need to click this button. Okay, allow. Okay, so it was almost midnight when a Rafi family finished. Like, this is the story. So I'm gonna generate this story. Like, I don't need to put any title. Click on this, and genre is like some horror or maybe thriller. Okay, realistic, ultra wide cinematic. We don't need to choose the duration because we are gonna generate a voiceover scene, so it will automatically detect the duration. And okay, language English, male voice. Okay, now I'm gonna click on generate advanced project. Okay, now it's generating. Here. You can see our project is generating. It's going to generate all the scenes we need, which we're gonna use View 3 to generate the videos. So it will properly generate all the scenes here. So it will take like a couple of minutes, depends on the story length. Now our story length is about maybe 2 minutes. So it will take like around 1 or 2 minutes to generate, depends on the AI speed. Gemini is a little bit slow to generate responses. So we need to wait few minutes. So I'm gonna pause the video because we don't need to make the video so lengthy for this boring stuff. Let me pause the video. Okay, our scene has been generated successfully. Here you can see we have 25 scenes here. Let me show you. When I'm going to click this project, it will show all the scenes here. So here you can see the scene description. When I'm going to jump the scene, here you can see all the scene description. So it's okay now. Now, some people want to generate this scene by using Flow or maybe Sora 2 or other Kling AI. So you can just copy the prompt here, copy the prompt, and then paste in the website manually if you want. But if you want to like do this automatically with automation, you can click on build here. You can see the button build, click on this, and you have several options here. This is also simple options. We all know about this. Don't think this is complex. Here you can see flow account. You can input your flow account email and password, and the orientation is like landscape and portrait. You know about this, like one is for like real, one is like movie, like wide screen. And the AI model, which is inside the flow, there is some model View 3.1 fast low and View 3.1 fast. If you like, you can use any of them, whichever you like. So now I'm going to choose the View 3.1 fast low, which is like you never get some errors because flow have some restriction nowadays. So I'm going to choose concurrent process 1 and click on start build, and it will ask you for a account. So since we didn't have, like, we haven't add our flow account, so I'm going to add this now. Here, click on this add new account. Sorry, I had a call. Okay. Click on add account, and there is some few options here. You can see auto logging and manual logging. You can auto logging the account, or you can choose the manual logging. The auto, I'm gonna go with the auto logging. Copy and here paste my flow email, and then copy and paste the password here. And then if I added some recovery email, I'm going to add this here, but I don't have any recovery email. So I'm just click on add account and go with the auto logging. And it will take like 1 or 2 minutes. This is I'm gonna process the account, and it will take the time once, not every time. Let me pause the video for until it's done very fast. So now the account has been added. I'm gonna select this account and click on start build with one account. If you have multiple accounts, you can select them and generate with multiple accounts. For now, I'm gonna choose one since we have only one account. Click on start build with one account. Okay, now our video generation started. Okay, this is so simple. Few more clicks to set up. There is nothing to set up actually. You just put your email and password and story. Everything is like automatic. Here you can see our scene is generating. I have chosen one concurrent process, so it will take a bit time. As you know, if I have been like choose 5 concurrent process, it would have very fast. So our scene is generating. Until finish generating, I'm gonna pause the video. When it's finished, we'll start again. Well, let me tell you one more thing. That if you choose multiple account and multiple concurrent process, it will be very fast. Like you can generate all the videos like within a minute. So you understand, I chose one account and one concurrent process, so it will take time, you know that, because I chose only one. If you choose 10 or like more accounts and more concurrent process, you can generate it more faster. Within 1 minute, you can generate. You have all the options here. You can choose whichever you like. Let me wait until it finishes. Our video has been finished. It's been a while. I came back here again. It's been 2 hours. I was doing other works. So here, this was completed long before ago. So I was doing other work. Here you can see most of the scene are generated completely. Like there was 25 and completed 23 and error 2. So you need to know that sometime Google Flow will reject your scene if there is some illegal prompt there, or maybe network issue or something else. So they will show error. So for this kind of scene, you can regenerate by clicking this retry button. Also, you can just click on this retry errors, means all of the error scene will be regenerated automatically. So now I'm going to click this retry errors and direct retry this one, because I don't want to refine the prompt. Refine prompt is used for like if your prompt has some illegal direction like nudity or some politicians words, so Flow will reject always. So this will use for the kind of, but I assume that this error was because of the network error issue. So I click on direct retry. Okay, then it will ask some option. Concurrent process, I will select go for one, and flow account and the account. If you have multiple, then you can select. So I'm going to select this Raihan and click on confirm. It will take, okay, our scene generation has started. Okay, scene 9 and scene 24. So they will generate within like 2 or 3 minutes. Right now we can play the video what it generated. Let's check it out.
It was almost midnight when Rafi finally finished his homework. The whole house was quiet. Too quiet.
His parents were asleep, and the only light still on was the small lamp.
Well, the purpose of this video is to teach you how to generate videos and scene. So I'm not going to play the whole video, so I'm going to show you something else, which is process video. Now you can process the whole video like by clicking process video, or if you want to use your own editor like Wondershare or CapCut, you can click on open folder and it will open a folder with the files. Here, where is the folder with all the videos? So you can choose them, import in CapCut and then use them. Or if you want to use directly here by one click, just click on this process video, and then there are some options here. I'll keep them as it is, and click on start process, and it will merge the whole video together. Okay. So remember, because two of our scene is not generated, so it will be not merged. There will be gap. I just want to show you. That's why I just generated the video here. After process, here we can see our video is processing. Processing video step 4851. Well, it will take like 1 or 2 minutes. It depends on the video length. Now our video is like average length, so it will take like about 1 minute maybe. Or also depends on your computer speed, the processor, motherboard, and the SSDs. So after process, you can find the process video by click this open folder, and here you can see a folder name processed. Double click on it, and you will find the video here, the full process video. Let it complete. I will show you. So now I'm gonna show you some other things like in setting, default output folder, just leave it as it is, don't need to change, and clear all data, reset setting. You don't need to like action with these buttons, just leave it as it is. And AI setting, you can choose an AI to set the default. You can set the default AI from this corner. Also you can set from here, like open AI and click on save AI setting. And also sometime AI company like change their models, or there is a new model upcoming or already released, so you can add your custom model here by clicking this one. Let's say currently OpenAI has GPT-5. I haven't added this, but you can add like GPT-5 like this. And it is to write the model name exactly as it is, which OpenAI provides. So you can just like add model. It will be added in here. Sorry, OpenAI. Where is the OpenAI? Okay, here GPT-5, and then click Save AI setting. So you can manually add any models here for Gemini. Like let's say Gemini has a new model which is Gemini 3.0 maybe, and you can add it here and then start using. Because you don't need to wait for me to update here. You can use your own. That's why I gave this option for you. For all the AI, you can use it, and then you can put your Gemini API key here, and then click on test. It will test all the Gemini key, the API keys, and it will show you the valid and invalid one. You can add multiple like API key 1, every API key in new line, API key 2, like this. You can add multiple here and then test and then save. Like this is invalid, so it's showing invalid. If it is valid, it will show valid. Like this, you can add them here and it will show there. And then whenever you're gonna generate a new scene, just select your API key and the model from here, whichever you like to use. So you can change it anytime from here, and put the story here, and I showed you already, so don't need to show you. Also, there is some samples here. You can just click there and it will load automatically here, and then you just need to click generate advanced project. This is just some examples. You just need to click. You can see voiceover. You can see the example how voiceover scene is generated. You can see the default setting like this for voiceover. You can like see the settings here. This, what is it? What it's used. So you can follow the setting from these examples. I'm very sorry for my bad English. So I need to adjust. Okay, well, our video processed complete. So let me click on open folder and click on processed. Here you can see our video process is completed. So let me play and show you what it is like.
It was almost midnight when Rafi finally finished his homework. The whole house was quiet. Too quiet.
His parents were asleep, and the only light still on was the small lamp in his room.
You can see it takes only about 1 or 2 minutes to
just as he was about to turn it off,
if you don't count the Gemini process and the flow process, it takes maybe 30 seconds. And if you count their time, it may be maximum you can.
Rafi froze.
You can generate a video within 5 minutes or 10 minutes.
No sound.
If you use multiple accounts.
Just the light turning on by itself.
And the software processes it within like maximum 2 minutes. Loose. But only time take by the Gemini API key and the flow. Otherwise, the software take it like automatically, mostly instantly. So you can generate like a lot of videos daily by using multiple accounts and API keys. If your API key has a lot of limits, you can use like more, like 10 or 20 or 30 story just at the same time. So right now we're using one API key, so one is best to run at a time. If I want to run maximum like 2 or 3 or multiple at a time, I'm gonna add more API keys here, because you know API key has a limit and this cost us money. So for now we have free API for my user MEXFLOW. I'll provide one by one. Well, this is not a topic today, because I'm gonna teach you the how you use this, how to download and generate. So that's it. That's all. So I'm gonna close the video, and this is how you can use MEXFLOW, and it's very easy. You just need to give like 1 hour or 2 hour practice, then you're gonna be expert. So see you on next video. Bye bye.